Taylor Sterniolo zinc-carbon battery experiment.
Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get it open. I can't get it open. Okay, no, I got it.
Okay, put your gloves back on.
I know. I just want to get those ones started. Okay, ready.
Alright, you're going to take this one, and we're going to put in the MnO2.
This one?
Well, you tell me, does that say MnO2 on it?
Yes.
Okay, put the entire bottle in there. Okay, now we need to take an entire bottle of graphite. Careful, you're spilling.
I know that. It's very hard to get it all out. I think I got it.
Okay, now you are taking these two things and you are dipping the ends. Just a little bit, it shows. Just dip a little bit of the end into the stuff.
Is that enough?
Yep, and do the other one. Put it.
Oh no, it's stuck. How to get this out? I'm just gonna use this. Smart. No, it's not.
Keep going.
Got it.
Okay, that might be too much. We'll see. Okay, now you're going to put these caps on the ends that you just dipped.
On the ends, okay. Is that okay?
Clearly not.
It's clearly very clearly not. Stay. It's not staying. It won't stay.
Well, you need to put it in.
I'm trying. It won't go.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Just leave it. And do the other one.
Wait, that worked. Kind of.
Okay. Now, this says to close tightly and shake for 10 seconds. So, when you shake it, you're going to put your thumb over that end. Yeah.
So, like that?
Yep, shake it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next.
Stay.
10. Wait a minute.
What?
Is this really the right one?
Yeah. Same.
Yeah, but these don't have caps on them. I think you shake this up.
Do you like
So put the cap on this and shake this for 10 seconds.
that? Okay, I think we did that.
Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay.
Not that much different though.
Yeah, that's because it's all pretty much the same color. Alright, now you're putting the pencil leads into the bottom. Like this, of these.
How is it supposed to go all the way in?
It's supposed to be some sticking out.
I'm sticking out, okay. In, actually. Somehow in. Okay. It's working.
It doesn't look like it.
No!
Goodness gracious.
Don't blame me. It's this thing's fault.
Okay, just get the other one in.
Okay. I think I have to lay it down.
Okay. Now, really?
I know. It's annoying. Okay, I think I got it.
Now, they're supposed to go in this, upside down. So with that tip down. It's not going to stay on.
It's probably not going to stay on, but it's fine.
Alright, so now you take the ammonium chloride, NH4Cl.
Okay, got it.
You're going to do 10 drops.
10 drops?
10 drops.
Get it off.
You gotta push it down first.
Oh, push it down? It's not working.
It does if you push it down.
There we
See?
go. So
Alright.
10.
Now you need this to
thing.
open that up. Over the experiment area. Okay.
There. That's 10
Alright,
drops.
so 10 drops. Count them.
Into here? Into this thing?
Yep. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now 2 small spoonfuls of the mixture. That's what those little spoons are for. You got the big one and the small ones. You can do 2 of the small ones.
Jeez, this is going to be hard. Just gonna
No. Put the spoon in there.
put this spoon in.
No, not like that.
Well, where?
You put this into there, and then turn that so that it goes upside down. There's a spoonful. That might be too much.
That good?
Hope so. Otherwise, we won't be able to do this twice.
True. In case I need to one more.
Okay. 2. Now close that thing up.
So,
Now
this
that
goes
goes
right there?
inside there. And then you press it in with this.
okay, in there.
Okay, now we do 1 small spoon of zinc.
Okay, so 1 small spoon of. Wait, is it? Aren't these like? Okay, I got this.
Okay. Yeah, that one you're going to have to pour
Ugh.
carefully over top of it.
Come on.
Okay,
Is it 1 or is it 2?
1. Now, 3 more drops of the, what was it? I can't see the,
This one?
yes, NH4Cl, ammonium
So
chloride.
It's 3?
3 drops.
Okay. 3 more drops. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now the screw goes on tightly.
Screw. Aha.
Just insert tightly, that's all it says. Okay, you gotta leave some of the metal out so it can contact, but that should be 1 battery created. Okay, so let's pull that out and do the second one.
Push out.
You gotta do the second one exactly the same.
Exactly the same. Ugh.
So that one, you do everything you just did. Oh, goodness gracious.
It's fine. It's fine. I still have eyes on it. Man, this thing is arguing with me. It won't work. Okay. So, I hit that. So, what do we have to do again? Forgot. So we need.
How many of these do we have?
Looks like 1. Is it? True that.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I think this is a guide.
Guide.
So this is on the back page. So what you're going to do is put this on top, and you're going to press the lead in only as far as that little thing allows you to. Okay, good. Alright,
Okay.
now,
8.
so we are back to 10 drops of that ammonium chloride.
Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. 2 small spoons of the mixture. Yep.
It's getting harder to grab it. That is so not a spoon. Oh, what a spoon.
Okay. Close that back up. Put the stopper in. Put the pusher. Okay.
Okay, and then we
1 small spoon of zinc.
small spoon of zinc.
That's graphite.
Zinc is over here. Okay.
Okay, and then 3 drops of ammonium chloride.
Just right here, the whip. Three.
And now the metal screw.
Here.
Push that in.
If I can. I was pushing it, but then it came right back off. Up. There.
Okay,
That should be good.
and now you're going to make sure
Woo.
the graphite goes in. Okay, put it down on the ground. Floor. Counter.
Floor, counter, who cares?
Okay.
There. Is that right?
Okay.
Yep.
So those are your control group batteries. So we're going to test to see if they work.
Okay.
Where is the... Here we go. Okay. Now, that end, I don't know, it looks like it's going to go through. I don't know, is it even going to fit?
Probably is. Oh, yeah, I know. These are springs, so you had to push on them. Oops. I forget about it.
Alright, so they say this end does not go into the spring. This end does.
Okay. Spring, we go with that.
Okay, so do the other one.
Okay.
No, I don't know if that one's touching.
Touching the middle part? Does it have to touch the middle part?
This side needs to touch the metal part, or it's not gonna
Work?
conduct electricity.
Oh, no! Ah! It's not working.
That's the spring side. You got to pull down from the other side.
There, okay. It's
Okay. No. Spring side first. And make sure the metal touches the metal.
Okay, it's not spinning. Try again.
Okay, that might do it. All right, now we need the leads.
These? Okay. How do you work these?
They're alligator clips.
Alligator. No.
So, all right, you're gonna have to get that open.
Again, okay. No, stop it. You're being so stubborn. Okay. So let's get the batteries out. Come on.
Just get one of them out.
Okay, got one of them.
Okay. All right, so it says to attach the red wire to the longer lead.
Okay.
Those metal things are called leads.
Okay, so first I'm gonna
Get it,
doing that.
squeeze it.
Okay.
You can, okay, and now that goes to the red wire. Actually on the wire, yes.
Yeah?
Okay, now you need to get that away. You pull that there. So now the black wire goes to that other one.
Yes.
And now,
Doesn't go
if it works, it should light up. Look at that.
Yes, it did! Yay.
Okay, now, what is your question that you were asking about using a different metal other than zinc?
If you remember, if we use a different element, would it still make a working battery?
Okay, so which other element have we chosen?
The tin battery? No, not the tin battery.
What is that?
Tin foil?
It's aluminum foil. You chose aluminum.
Oh yeah, aluminum.
Alright, so we're going to do 2 more of these batteries.
Please, we have those.
Like this one.
Okay.
Hopefully we have enough ammonium chloride.
Looks like it.
Looks like we'll have enough graphite and
Yeah.
what else was this? Manganese dioxide. So hopefully we'll have enough of those things. We're not going to use the zinc anymore. So hopefully we have enough of these 2 things
So we're
with
these two.
aluminum foil that we're going to have to cut in half and
Somehow.
maybe even more. It'll have to be pretty small to get inside that. But alright, so start preparing these other 2 the same way.
Okay. Ow. Ow.
Right here. So you're doing the dip, remember?
Uh-huh.
The dip into the first thing.
Okay. You come here. How is that stuck up in there? Hang on. We got a little. Okay, let's stop. Okay. Would that work? Maybe just a little more on that side. There we go. That worked.
Okay. Put the tip on.
This better work.
Just don't squeeze too hard. Those things are...
Ugh. Man, this thing is rude.
Just put it in there and put it down. You don't need to squeeze it yet.
Down.
Do the other
Stay.
one.
Okay, good. Stay.
Sit, boo-boo, sit. Good dog.
Arf, arf. Okay.
Got it. Okay. Now we don't have to shake it this time. It's already been shaken. That could affect this particular battery's results. Because remember, this we dipped it in to essentially the graphite, which you do before it gets shaken up. So that could affect the results. Just make sure that you document that. Okay? So now we're doing the pencil ends again, the pointy graphite into the end of these 2 things. It doesn't have to go very far because you saw we pushed it in later.
Yep. Ow.
Well, don't put it into your finger.
I'm not putting it into my finger. It's not working.
It will. If you put it into the middle.
I'm putting it into the middle. It's not freaking going. Excuse my language.
Mm-hmm.
It won't go. Oh wait, never mind. It will.
Mm-hmm. Try the other one. No, not too far.
Okay, no, stay.
Just be gentle with it.
Stay.
Just put the other one in, and then go ahead and put it straight into the tube.
Okay.
Well, the tip.
The tip.
The cap.
The cap.
The orange one.
Okay. Is that enough?
Okay.
Go in there.
So, 10 drops ammonium chloride.
I have to make a popping somewhere first. Ink. Okay, so 10 drops.
Okay. Now, 2 small spoons of the mixture.
Maybe this one.
You might need to tilt it a little.
Ho ho! I got some. Some right where. This.
Uno.
Dos.
Dos. Okay. Now, the stopper.
Stopper. No! No! I got it. It's fine. Ow.
And press it in.
Press you in. Go. Okay. Stop. Okay.
Okay. Now, this is where we would do the 1 small spoon of zinc. So we need to try to get this
To get into there.
into there.
Okay.
So, tear off a bit. Just tears. Just tear off a bit.
So is
Try
this
to
enough? Okay, for a minute.
crumple it up. Try to get it in there. You might need to use that pusher again. Here, go ahead and do some more.
Okay. One, this is enough. Ow. Ow.
Okay, now you do the screw. Make sure it's in there.
Go in.
Watch your glove.
This side isn't going in. Work.
There.
There. No,
Okay.
stop.
And now you're going to use the guide to make sure that the other end is...
Oh no. Oh wow.
Well, make sure it's flush, so it's no higher. Okay? Alright, set it aside. Got to do all that one more time. 10 drops. You did... Wait, hold on. Did you remember to do 3 drops after
drops?
putting in
Yep.
the... Okay. Just checking.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I think she forgot.
I didn't. Ugh.
Okay, but what we did was we just put the screw in. Did you actually put any of it in?
I think so. It must have. And
I don't think you did.
the white thing must have sucked it in.
I don't think you did.
Things do that.
I think you skipped a step.
If I did, it's fine. Okay. It's not. Really.
There's a reason why you include that.
Yes, I know. Okay, so now we need 2 of these things.
Yes.
So messy. Oh man. Okay.
You missed.
I know I missed.
How could you?
It's gonna be that big of a deal.
How do you know? This is science.
True.
Science is a lot like baking. You have to be exact in your ingredients. That's why you're probably going to need that ammonium chloride.
Okay, so now what?
Now the stopper.
That's all. Stop it. Going in. Okay.
Now the aluminum.
Aluminum?
Aluminum.
It's this thing, right?
No.
No. It's this?
Yes. Tear off some more. Get it in there.
Okay. This should be enough.
You think?
I think. I don't know. Go in there.
Okay, now 3 drops of that. You sure you did that last time?
I'm sure.
I'm not so sure. I think I told you to skip it.
2, 3.
Okay, now the screw. Why did you close that? I'm pretty sure you're going to need to put 3 drops in the other end. Come on, put this one together. Okay, now the other end.
Yeah, no.
Push it flush. Probably better off using a thumb.
Probably.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Now do all the work taking the screw out.
Well, I don't know if you'll be able to just get it out.
You're probably right.
You might need to get some needle nose pliers. Thankfully, I have some. All right, pausing to get needle nose pliers. Okay, we have pulled out the screw with needle nose pliers, and she's going to apply the 3 drops of ammonium chloride.
That I probably forgot.
All right, reapply the screw.
Reapplying the screw. How rude. Wow, the thing just came right in. Oh,
Okay.
no! No! Oh, okay.
That should be all good. Now we can replace the batteries. That's the end. It's like, once you take the batteries out, remember,
Ow.
you gotta like pull from the inside.
Oh.
So the light should hopefully come back on with the new batteries. You did that backwards.
I did? How?
You push into the spring to take it out.
Okay.
The same as you push in to put it in.
Okay, so
Now put in your new batteries with aluminum instead of zinc.
hopefully this
Make sure it contacts the metal.
Okay. Protecting the
Other way.
metal. Go in.
Hey, look at that. It lit up.
Okay, so that solves the answer.